Hello. It has been quite the long hiatus since I have uploaded on Luca Reviews, and I was planning on never uploading again and leaving my spot as the king. However, an upcomer has tried to dethrone me. Nony is trying to take my spot as the king of reviews, but I will never let him do that. I will always be the review king. He is the underdog and is sided by many. But the king always takes his throne back. So let's go ahead and start up this video. It's called Ricola Swiss Cherry Flavor Review. I will be reviewing his video while reviewing a cough drop. We'll get further detail into that cough drop later. But here we go.
Hi everybody, my name is Tony, and today we're going to be reviewing these Ricola Dual Action Cough Super Session Oral.
Right off the bat, he's stuttering a lot. Very unprofessional from him. He's not even showing us the product yet, which is rookie mistakes, man.
Aesthetic drops, as you can see here.
We have a very small view of the bag, and only the front of the bag. How you would do it. Boom. Front, back. Rookie. He's a rookie.
Also, you guys probably know Ricola. It's a good brand for
I have never heard of Ricola before. Tony. Tony, you are known by many names. TV, Antonio, Tony. But I know you as a stepping stone.
sore throat, cough, soothes coughs, relieves sore throat, extra relief in the center. Ricola. This is the Swiss Cherry.
It's not even showing us the back of the bag, reading us any of the product information, nothing. It's a low quality review.
Flavor from Switzerland. The pack comes with 19 drops, and yeah, the Ricola Dual Action drops provide naturally effective relief for both cough and sore throat. A unique blend of 10 natural Swiss alpine herbs, natural menthol, and soothing citrus center, combined to give you fast and safe relief from sore throat. Okay, let's see if that's true. Okay.
But you have not addressed the fact that you have had a sore throat. So why would you need to test truth if you don't even have anything to test it with? So now that he's diving into his cough drop, I'm going to dive into mine. So here we have the branding. I'm going to go ahead and unwrap that for you guys. CVS Health sugar-free cough drop. Here's a look at the paper. Front, back is hollow. We have the cough drop itself. It's a yellow cough drop. It has a B symbol on it. I believe this is one of the medicine cough drops. Go ahead and look at that. There's the B. Front, back of the cough drop. So we're going to wait for him to dive into it. I'll put mine in. And here we go. Doesn't show the back.
Okay, that's the first drawback right there. Package is a little rough. Hard to open, but it's
Okay.
That's good to know, because then it's okay. Package is good. Okay. It's very good.
Very good is a very broad term for someone who just dove into it, you know? He's not even getting all the flavors of his cough drop in there. You know what I mean? You gotta keep noticing the flavor, you know? It tasted good at first, but now the medicine kicked in. And now it just tastes like cough syrup. Honestly, pretty bad tasting cough drop. However, he did not give it a chance. Good right off the bat. Rookie TV.
Thank you, Terry. Oh yeah, that's really good. That's really powerful. W.
Using terms like AW is a very, very broad statement, TV. You have to be very honest with your viewers. They need an honest review. They don't need, this is good, this is a W. They need honest reviews that Luca Reviews will provide.
I'm not even sick.
So why would you need a cough drop if you're not even sick? Me personally, I've just recovered from strep throat and I'm still getting over a cough. Your cough drops have been very handy for me. However, Tony doesn't even need to be reviewing a cough drop.
Yeah, this is good. Please like this, leave a comment below, and subscribe, and maybe sorry, this is really cool.
Seems like he doesn't like this cough drop after saying it was good.
Future, and see you next time.
So, right away, they were a very, very mid review. You know, he didn't give us price ranges. He didn't give us how satisfied he was with the product. He just gave us a dub. Rookie review. I give this review 5 out of 10 Luca review tokens. As for a cough drop I've been talking on, he's pretty bad. It's a medicine cough drop. I know they're not the biggest hit. Medicine cough drops suck. This gets 2 out of 10 Luca review points. Anyways, please like, subscribe, and comment. And if Nony decides he wants to try and take my spot again, just know there will be backlash. And